Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on SLP. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that there is a very huge bullish divergence flash on the 7 days time frame chart. As on this weekly time frame, you can see that the price went from this low here and the next low it formed lower than the previous one, but at the same time, stochastic was forming higher low than the previous one. And that was a very huge bullish divergence signal. And you can see that the price is following this signal and geared up. And in today's video, I would also like to show you this breakout from the smaller down channel. And before that, SLP has already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of June 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for layer, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade signal I shared on 27th of June 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this, the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and it rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, a few months, it has been moving inside this channel since after the first week of December 2024 up till 20th of April 2025. And after the breakout, the price and could not break out this long-term resistance of $0.0021. You can see that we got few rejections here. Before that, it has been acting as support here. And for several weeks, it had been acting as a support here as well. Therefore, now after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a resistance. And now the pricing is once again geared up. And if we take a look at the 7 day time frame chart, then you can see that here we also had a very huge bullish divergence signal flash. Like the price then formed this low here, and the next low it formed lower than the previous one. But at the same time, if we take a look at the RSI, not the RSI, stochastic oscillator, then you can see that it formed this low here, and the next low it formed higher than the previous one. So the price line was forming lower low and stochastic was forming higher low. That was a quite clear, very huge bullish divergence signal on this chart. And the price line has followed this signal as we were expecting. And now it is moving towards the next long-term resistance here at $0.0021. That had been previously acting as a very strong and long-term support. And before that, it had been acting as a support here and almost a support here as well. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is at $0.006. And over there, we have another very long-term resistance that was previously working as a resistance here in the month of December 2024. And before that, it had been acting as a resistance here and resistance here as well. Now here on the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that previously the price on SLP has been moving inside this very huge falling wedge pattern from the month of November 2021 up till the month of September 2023. And after the breakout, we had a nice pump, but the price and could not break out this long-term resistance on that start from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. That has been previously acting as a support line here, and after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance and we got rejection here. Therefore, due to this resistance on the price and could not continue this move to the upside. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern is still here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.